everyone, and welcome to another brochure video. Today it's Dyson time again, and in this video I'll be looking at some Dyson uprights, the DC07, 04 and 03, and also in this brochure the DC14. Here we have the brochure for the Dyson DC07, 04 and 03 upright cleaners, the most powerful constant suction. On the first two pages in the middle we can see the Dyson root cyclone technology, an impressive looking graph, and there's some approximations of competitor bagged and bagless uprights. Nothing that can be identified, but if I look closely I can see hints of certain models in this lineup. Here's some blurb from James Dyson himself. In 1978, I became frustrated with my vacuum cleaner. It quickly clogged with dust, destroying the suction. I set about developing an entirely new type of vacuum cleaner to solve this problem. More than 5,000 prototypes later, I was at last able to launch the DC01 in 1993, with patented Dyson dual cyclone technology, the first vacuum cleaner that didn't lose suction. We have now developed the root cyclone to give even higher suction power to pick up more dust and dirt from your home. How Dyson root cyclone technology gives higher constant suction power. Spinning air creates centrifugal force. By making the airstream spin, dirt and debris are subjected to centrifugal force and are thrown out of the airflow. Higher speeds give higher centrifugal force. A cone shape speeds up the spinning air to create even greater centrifugal forces which remove microscopic dust particles from the airflow. Dyson DC07 generates G-forces of 200,000. Compare this to fighter pilots who can be subjected to just 7 G-forces. More cyclones create higher suction power. By spreading high volumes of air throughout many cyclones, new root cyclone technology has even higher constant suction power. This means it picks up even more dust. This chart is claiming that Dyson has the most powerful constant suction. Here's a picture of the Dyson DC07 root cyclone bin, and then we've got a bin from a regular bagless vacuum and a paper bag from a bagged vacuum. Not really sure what this chart represents, but this arrow here seems to suggest that the Dyson maintains suction power even as the bin fills. What makes Dyson different? Other vacuum cleaners clog and leave dust behind. Other vacuum cleaners rely on the bag or filter to hold back the dust, which means they clog and lose suction, leaving dust behind in your home. Your carpet may look clean, but the dust and dirt can be left just beneath the surface. This is a picture of the Dyson DC07, the most powerful constant suction. Fastest stair cleaning, the quick draw hose stretches to 6 times its length to reach the top of the stairs quickly and easily. Reversible wand to reach awkward areas more easily and with better grip. At the top here we've got another picture of the root cyclone technology. Durable, tough construction, hygienic trigger bin emptying, high efficiency airways, high velocity airflow tools, self-locating tool storage, Dyson lifetime filters, lifetime HEPA filters, suction release valve, automatic suction changeover, internal bin baffles, brush control, auto carpet height adjustment, edge cleaning whiskers, and a free 2-year guarantee. These two pages show the complete range of Dyson DC07 upright cleaners, starting with the regular DC07 designed for carpeted homes. Then we have the all floors model, which includes the clutch control so you can turn off the brush bar. Then we have two Allergy Plus models that look identical, same specifications, just different colours. Then we have the Allergy Plus with low reach tool, and then the Dyson DC07 Animal that also comes with the mini turbine head. And here we have another picture of the Dyson DC07 Animal for powerful all-round pet hair removal, showing the mini turbo brush and HEPA filter. This next double page spread shows the Dyson DC04 and Dyson DC03. The DC04 has Dyson's dual cyclone system, onboard tools, durable tough construction, high efficiency airways, brush bar safety, Dyson lifetime filters, brush control, and auto carpet height adjustment. The Dyson DC03 lightweight and slimline is easy to store. It's lightweight at only 6.9 kilograms, fastest stair cleaning, reversible wand, onboard tools, brush control, lifetime HEPA filters, auto carpet height adjustment, and slim profile. The next two pages show the Dyson DC03 HEPA Plus, the DC04 for carpeted homes, the DC04 with brush control, and the DC04 Zorbster, which includes the dry cleaning function. The DC04 Zorbster keeps new carpets looking new. All the features of DC04 brush control plus unique Zorb carpet cleaning system, lifetime HEPA filtration and Dyson engineered floor tool. Apply Zorb, groom into carpet, vacuum clean. And finally, the back of the brochure shows another picture of the Dyson Root Cyclone. The next brochure features the Dyson DC14 Telescope Reach. Quick release wand expands for instant cleaning. The DC14 seems to be a fan favourite, judging by people who comment under my videos and other things I've read online. A lot of people have a lot of affection for this particular model. Here we have a couple of rather sparse looking introductory pages. We've got a bit of blurb by James Dyson, which I've read out before, and two vacuums, one a Dyson, one a generic bagless machine, and another graph here. What makes Dyson different? A Dyson cyclone spins air at high speed. Dirt and dust are thrown out of the airflow and collected in the bin, not on the filters or in bags. So unlike other vacuums, Dyson doesn't clog and lose suction, so it picks up more dirt. The problem with other machines: they rely on the bag or filter to hold back the dust, which means they clog and lose suction, leaving dust behind in your home. Dyson suction remains constant, according to this graph here. Again, it's showing Dyson Root Cyclone maintaining the suction no matter how full the bin is. Well, up to 500 grams on this chart. Dust load in grams, it goes up to 500. So it's showing that the Dyson maintains the suction throughout, whereas the bagged and other bagless machines lose suction as they fill up with dirt. Here we have another cross-section of the Dyson Root Cyclone and the same blurb that I read out from the previous brochure, so I won't read it again. No awkward parts to assemble for high-reach cleaning. Extendable hose reaches to the top of the stairs. One-touch bin emptying to avoid contact with dust. Lowered handle for easy carrying. This page opens out to reveal a large photograph of the DC14 Telescope Reach. No running costs, lifetime washable filters and no bags to buy. Approved for allergy sufferers. 2-year guarantee. Durable tough construction. Telescope Reach. Hygienic and quick to empty. On-machine tool storage. Root Cyclone technology. Car and upholstery cleaning. High efficiency airways. Lifetime HEPA filter. Large debris channel. Auto adjusting cleaner head. These two pages show the complete Telescope Reach range, starting with the base model for carpeted homes, the all floors version including brush control, the allergy version that includes a HEPA filtration and a bacteria killing screen, the animal version for powerful all-around pet hair removal, which includes a mini turbine head, and we've got pictures here of the mini turbine head, the HEPA Plus BactiSafe filters, brush control, and the large debris channel. The back page shows some pictures of some Dysons being put through their paces in the Dyson Research, Design and Development Centre in the UK. And we've got some other details about Dyson, their commitment to research and development and designing products that work better. Dyson, the cleaner that doesn't lose suction, and we've got the web address www.dyson.co.uk. This brochure is dated the 12th of July 2004. I forgot to mention the production date of this brochure. It's dated the 23rd of April 2003. Thanks for watching this Dyson brochure video. If you have any comments or questions about the machines featured, please comment below, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.